In today's complex market, corporate success depends on engineering, manufacturing, quality control, and customer service. Since 1982, Fortune Extendables has been the source in Asia. The island of Taiwan is Fortune's headquarters. Here in Taichung, skilled people experienced in communicating with world markets monitor your project from inquiry to execution. In-house engineering and graphics staff communicate directly to ensure no detail is missed until your ideas become reality. On an as-needed basis, Fortune maintains its own warehouse of small parts inventory. For the most part, subcontractors provide just-in-time component delivery. Fortune works closely with local subcontractors in all areas of manufacturing. Taichung is a manufacturing melting pot, with any level of production available in a very small radius. Many subcontractors maintain in-house tooling production, helping to control your project costs. The Taichung production facility focuses on quality control, final assembly, and packaging services. Your assurance that the product you order is received exactly as you expect. In recent years, Fortune expanded into China, where Shanghai became the home of Thai World. There, accounting, production control, and engineering staff monitor both in-house manufacturing and local subcontractors. Standard measuring instruments and specialized testing equipment ensure cost-effective quality products are supplied to Fortune's customers. Printing and packaging equipment finish off the product before shipment, and with room to grow, Shanghai is prepared for your next project. Fortune's Qingdao operation opened most recently. Qingdao has developed into an area of machinery manufacturers. Local subcontractors have grown with skills specialized to service this industry. Through the Qingdao facility, Fortune monitors manufacturing and utilizes this production capability and capacity for its customers worldwide. Today's market doesn't have to be complex. Asian sourcing can be clear. Fortune can make it happen for you.